On the weekly chart, we're going to take a look at Jumia in here. You can see this overall structure, nice little breakout in here on the day today, some good volume all around, nice move, almost 9% up on the day, about $1.07 up from last week's close. So we're going to see if we can end up going up here and breaching and holding that $14 handle. We're trading about 10 cents off of it right now. Where it's basically where this upper band of this Bollinger Band is right here. So it's going to be a nice level for us to basically breach and hold. It's a psych level. It's kind of everything, right? So it's all dependent on that 14. If we can get a nice little breach and hold, then we can start working on those all-time highs up here again at that $15 range. Now to the downside in here, obviously this upper trend line in here that has been breached. That is now going to be our new support. It was a previous resistance. Now it's going to be a support. That's trading right here, right around that 1282 mark. Anything below there, we're going to be looking at 1237. And then this 9-day EMA right here, this blue line is going to be our another support for us to watch. That's sitting at 1232. So we're going to see what happens in here. You have about $1 expected move being priced in by this Friday by options traders, $2 by next Friday. So let's see what happens overall in here. So decent volume on the day compared to previous weeks. We'll take that. A little more is not going to hurt us to kind of push us through that 14. We'll take that. If we can get a nice breach and hold of the 14, then we're going to look forward here to the 15s. But if not, then we're going to see if we do get at least a little consolidation up here and an overall confirmation that, hey, this move that we had today is going to hold up. So let's see what happens in here as we're going forward. Nice little low risk, low reward play in here with your options being not as expensive as you would expect them to be, especially with your IV rank sitting at 31 and a raw IV of 100. So let's see what happens as we continue throughout the rest of the week in here. But all in all, we'll take a good move in here for us today. Let's see if those 14s are going to be next. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.